This is a Chinese chestnut called chestnut striker also. Double-sided, slate over slate. I'm going to condition it just a little bit with the little foam pad. It doesn't take too much slate off of it. Wipe the tip a little bit. Let's sand it back here too. Do a cluck.